Every summer, across California's Central Valley, an entire landscape begins to shift color. Rows of green trees slowly darken under the weight of ripening fruit, as millions of plums transition from pale green to deep crimson and royal purple. The air grows warmer, the harvest window narrows, and an invisible countdown begins. Unlike grains that can wait in the field, plums demand precision timing. Harvest too early, and sugar levels fall short. Harvest too late, and softness destroys shelf life. In some orchards, growers have less than a week to move thousands of tons before quality begins to decline. Yet every year, the United States successfully produces hundreds of thousands of tons of plums, supplying fresh fruit, dried prunes, juices, and processed ingredients to markets across the globe. So how does a fruit that bruises under pressure survive industrial agriculture? And how do modern orchards balance biology with logistics on such a massive scale? Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we step inside America's plum industry, from precision orchard planning to high-speed packing and drying systems. The United States ranks among the world's significant plum producers, and California is the undisputed center of that industry. Nearly 95% of all fresh plums grown in America originate from California's Central Valley, a vast agricultural corridor stretching hundreds of kilometers between the Sierra Nevada mountains and the Pacific Coast ranges. This region offers a Mediterranean climate that plum trees require: cool winters with sufficient chill hours to reset dormancy, followed by long, dry summers that promote sugar accumulation. Most commercial plum varieties require between 700 and 1,000 chill hours below 7 degrees Celsius during winter. Without this natural cold cycle, flowering becomes inconsistent and yields suffer. Each spring, orchards briefly transform into fields of white blossoms. Pollination during this phase is critical. Commercial beekeepers position hives throughout orchards to ensure consistent fruit set. A single acre may host multiple beehives during bloom season, supporting cross-pollination that directly determines final yield. On average, the United States produces between 350,000 and 400,000 tons of fresh plums annually. In addition, California leads global prune production, supplying roughly 40% of the world's dried plum market. This dual role, fresh fruit and processing fruit, shapes how orchards are designed and managed from the very beginning. A modern plum orchard is not planted casually. It is a multi-decade investment. Trees are not grown from seed, but from grafted nursery stock, combining a carefully selected scion variety with a rootstock chosen for disease resistance, soil adaptability, and vigor control. Popular commercial varieties such as Black Amber, Santa Rosa, and Friar are selected for flavor, firmness, and transport durability. Trees are typically spaced 4 to 5 meters apart in uniform rows, allowing sunlight penetration and access for mechanical equipment. This spacing creates a balance between maximizing land productivity and preventing overcrowding that can reduce airflow and increase fungal risk. During the first 2 to 3 years, the tree's priority is structural growth rather than fruit production. Growers shape the canopy using pruning systems such as the open center structure, allowing sunlight to reach interior branches. Proper pruning is not simply cosmetic, it directly affects fruit size, color development, and disease resistance. Water management is equally strategic. In California's drought-prone environment, drip irrigation systems deliver water precisely to the root zone. Soil moisture sensors monitor real-time conditions, ensuring trees receive adequate hydration without waste. During peak summer heat, a mature plum tree may require up to 30 liters of water per day. Controlled irrigation not only conserves water but also influences fruit firmness and sugar concentration. Fertilization is measured carefully. Nitrogen supports growth, potassium enhances fruit size and sweetness, and calcium strengthens cell walls to improve shelf life. The balance must be exact. Excessive nitrogen can create soft fruit unsuitable for export, while deficiency reduces yield potential. Once pollinated, plum trees naturally set more fruit than they can support. If left unthinned, the tree produces many small plums with reduced sugar content. To prevent this, growers conduct fruit thinning, often removing a significant portion of young fruit in early development stages. This may be done manually or through mechanical thinning systems that gently shake excess fruit from branches. This intervention ensures that the remaining plums receive adequate nutrients and sunlight, increasing final size and sweetness. Sugar content is measured using the brick scale, with commercial harvest targets typically ranging between 12 and 16 degrees Brix, depending on variety and intended market. As the fruit matures, its skin deepens in color and its flesh softens slightly. At this stage, growers monitor firmness, color development, and sugar accumulation daily. Weather conditions can accelerate or delay ripening. A sudden heat wave may compress the harvest window dramatically, forcing rapid mobilization of labor crews. Pest and disease management remains constant throughout the season. Integrated orchard systems combine pheromone traps, biological controls, and precision spraying to manage threats such as codling moth and brown rot. Reducing chemical input while maintaining yield has become increasingly important, particularly for export markets with strict residue standards. Harvest season typically begins in June and extends through September, depending on the variety. Unlike many crops that tolerate mechanical handling, fresh market plums are usually harvested by hand to minimize bruising. Workers move methodically along rows, gently twisting fruit from stems and placing them into padded picking bags. The pace is intense. A skilled worker may harvest several hundred kilograms per day, but the priority is not speed alone. It is precision. Even minor surface damage can reduce market value significantly. For plums destined for drying, mechanical tree shakers are often used. These machines grip the trunk and gently vibrate the tree, causing mature fruit to fall onto catching frames. The fruit is then transported for immediate washing and drying. Once harvested, plums are loaded into large field bins weighing up to 400 kilograms each. Rapid transportation to cooling facilities is essential. Removing field heat within hours preserves firmness and slows respiration, extending shelf life. Upon arrival at the packing plant, plums enter a highly controlled industrial environment. The first stage involves gentle water flumes that cushion fruit movement and prevent bruising. Washing systems remove dust, leaves, and field residues. Next, optical sorting machines equipped with high-resolution cameras analyze each plum for size, color uniformity, and surface defects. Advanced systems even use near-infrared scanning to detect internal bruising invisible to the naked eye. Fruit is graded automatically and directed into appropriate packaging lines. Fresh market plums are packed into cartons or clamshell containers designed to protect against pressure damage. For export, packaging must withstand long transport distances while maintaining airflow. Plums intended for drying follow a different path. After washing, they enter large dehydrators where warm air circulates for up to 24 hours. Moisture content drops from roughly 80% to about 20%, concentrating sugars and extending shelf life to over a year. This drying process transforms fresh plums into prunes, a product with significant global demand. Some plums are further processed into juice, puree, and functional food ingredients. Industrial pressing systems extract juice, which may then be pasteurized and bottled. The value-added segment of the industry contributes significantly to overall economic impact, with California's prune industry alone generating over $1 billion annually. From the quiet bloom of spring to the pressure of summer harvest, America's plum industry operates on precision timing and biological understanding. Each orchard represents years of planning. Each harvest represents days of intense coordination. And each piece of fruit reflects a system where science, labor, and logistics converge. What appears to be a simple fruit in a supermarket display is, in reality, the outcome of climate strategy, irrigation technology, optical sorting systems, and global cold chain infrastructure. This is modern agriculture, disciplined, data-driven, and measured in hundreds of thousands of tons. Welcome to AgriTech Smart. If you enjoyed this documentary journey, subscribe to the channel and join us as we continue exploring agriculture at massive scale. See you in the next episode.